Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to use the new U tab on YouTube. So if you guys would like to go ahead and actually use this new U tab on the new YouTube update, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. I want you guys to go ahead and launch the YouTube application first, and the U tab should be located over here onto the lower right corner of your screens. Now, what new with the new tab is basically the option for us to locate the specific parts of, like, let's say our account page. We could actually go ahead and see that just in one location over on our U tab, and also our other settings as well, our playlists and our history located over here. Now, this is a new layout on the new YouTube update, so it is basically now called the U tab on the newest update. But basically, that's all you guys need to know about the new U tab. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video as well and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.